I know you have been wondering about when is the right time for me to post on Facebook. Is it on Monday? Is it in the morning? Is it in the evening? And the worst part is that you have been watching a lot of videos and you just get confused. Guys, don't let anyone deceive you. This thing just is just based on your follower preference. Like, it's just based on the kind of content you are engaging them with. The best time I post on my Facebook might differ from the best time you post on your Facebook. And like the day I posted on my Facebook and I get more engagement might be different from your own. So do not let anybody tell you, okay, post on Monday to be your video will go viral. But remember, it's just one video. Guys, just the best thing is just that just keep on posting. It's just one video that will make you go viral. And all these people that have, their video has gone viral, they just shoot the video like normal video. Like it was just like a normal content. They never knew, like they never dreamt of it that this video is going to make them go viral. But that's how God works. If you are seeing my face for the first time, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, because in today's video I'm going to show you how you can know, like in your own, the best time for you to post without anyone confusing you. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can know the right and the best time for you to post on your Facebook without anyone telling you, okay, post on Monday, post on Thursday. So without wasting much time, let me walk you through the other side of the screen, so that I'm going to show you how you can track your followers and you know the best time they are engaging on your content, and you stick to those days and be posting your video. And trust me, your video is going to go viral. Okay, guys, let's get started.
So you just come to your Facebook page after opening your Facebook page or your Facebook profile, depending on where you want to track your followers calendar. Sorry, depending on when you want to track or to know when to post on Facebook. So you just click on here at the left hand side where you see your profile picture. Just go ahead and click on that. So you are just going to go ahead and click on see dashboard. You can see it here. So you click on see dashboard. So when you click that, you are just going to scroll down to where you see this see more insights. So you click on it. So when you click on see more insights, so you just go ahead and scroll down. So from this analytics, you can see that the day that people engaged mostly on my post is on Saturday, Friday, Thursday and Sunday, right? So that means there's a high chances of my post going viral or getting a lot of engagement if I post my content on this particular days. So you can see this analytic by yourself, and you can also see the age bracket or age and gender of people that interact mostly on my post. You can see that the male the men interact mostly on my post than female. Okay, let me click on, I thought I saw see all. So you can see that the men interact mostly on my content than women. So you go ahead, and this is what these colors mean. So this blue means that it's men. You can see that they interact 70.6% of them interacted on my post, while women is 26.4% out of 100%. So you now come and look for the top countries that interacted mostly with your content. You can see that Nigeria is number one. Of course, I'm a Nigerian. You can see Ghana, you can see Kenya, United States and lot more. So under your country Nigeria, under your country Nigeria, you are still going to see that you are still going to see the top countries, sorry, the top towns or city that actually engaged in your post. Under Nigeria, you can see Lagos, you can see Abuja, you can see Ibadan, you can see Kano, and you can see Port Harcourt. So that is all, like that's how you can keep track of your audience. Remember, this is not 100% guaranteed. The more you post, like this thing, the more you post, the more you'll be coming here to check when you are to keep your audience engaged. You can see this based on the last 4 weeks, the kind of people that engaged on my post. You can see this. So trust me guys, you post on this day, there's no how you that post will not get lot of engagement, right? And to keep you on the safer side, you need to have a tracker for your, like a calendar. You need to draft a calendar for your content to help you go a little bit further. So guys, that is the end of this video. So please, if you find this video helpful, you know what to do. I don't need to tell you what to do. Just subscribe to my channel, follow this page for more tips like this. You can also follow me on my Facebook page at Afitech Digital. So you can also follow this page for more amazing tips like this, and like and share this video. It's very, very important to get to as many people that may need it right now. So that's the end of this tutorial. Bye, see you in my next video.